Since the beginning of our country's history, there's been a desire to head west for the open air, for the freedom, and for the adventure that awaits. There exists a place in western Colorado where the best of the West, old and new, are still riding strong. A place for all of us to gather, to show our strength, and ride away in glory. Welcome to the Montrose County Event Center, your premier equine event center in the West. Our climate-controlled facility features everything needed for your equine event. Our trackers work hard, ensuring the footing is perfectly suited for the needs of each discipline. Our stalls have mats, easy access to water and electricity, and even host shavings on site for purchase. Additionally, our facility has fiber and live streaming ready hookups so you can take your event to a global audience. Lastly, we have a team that ties it all together, working hard to assist you at every turn and ensure your event is a success. While you're here, you get to be a part of the best town in the West. Saddle up and head to our historic downtown for a pint, a whiskey, and some good local music. Take a stroll downtown and shop at our local boutiques. And if you're still keen for adventure, you'll find no shortage of it here. Hiking, biking, fishing, kayaking, jeeping, and more, all just outside your door at the Montrose County Event Center in Montrose, Colorado.